It is with special excitement that I am pleased to welcome Dr. Imran Sheikh in our monthly gathering as a speaker. He is holding key position as Chief Analyst at Infinity Institute of Technical and Wave Analysis. His expertise in neo-wave analysis and over the 10 years has experience of stock, commodity and currency market analysis, trading, investing and trading. His finding detached potential bar is proving important trading tool for many traders. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Imran Sheikh.
Thank you very much and welcome all of you. Again, I'd like to thank both ATM and team to organize this knowledge sharing and learning meet. Friends, when we trade in stock market, indirectly we accepted a challenge of complex analysis and trading. Today's meet is related with the neo-wave analysis. Let us first clear what we are going to cover in this meet. Very first of all, we will see that what is a neo-wave. Then after, we will see the 4 points of neo-wave analysis. Then after, structure and their behavior. And then after, historically proven patterns. And finally, we will see that forecasting of USD INR, gold, Nifty and few stocks. Trading. Just imagine that trading is very simple. It's game not beyond buy and sell. What do you think? Is it possible? It's very simple. Not beyond buy and sell. Just enough. Means everyone who will come in stock market, anytime whatever he will buy will go up and everyone will get a money. Is it possible? Never. It's not possible in stock market because trading is looking very simple at front end. But there is a more core point are there in back end. What are the core points? Number one, psychology, trading psychology, then analysis, then trading setup and risk management. Let us see all 4 pillars of trading. Very first of all, we are going to see that risk management. Diversification and these all, we know that. I can suggest here for ideally 2% risk per trade. That is very ideal. But risk management can be different for the different individual. It depends on the risk sensitivity. Trading capital, that everyone having a different trading capital. Everyone having a different risk sensitivity. Suppose that losing a 5,000 will make someone restless. He can become restless. But the same amount, if someone will lose, it will make no effect on him. He is taking just casually it. Okay, it is a part of trading. So like that, we have to learn that appropriate risk we should carry every time. Then the trading setup. These are the area of big interest of every trader and analyst. The psychology behind this study is that everyone wants some magical stick. That one indicator or one tool, whatever he have, should work for 100% of time. But unfortunately, these tools are giving a return success rate of 50%. On an average 50%. So what to do? We need to club this trading setup with our analysis. People are using a different trading setups like price patterns, candlestick patterns, momentum indicators like RSI, stochastic. Some are using a lagging indicator like MACD and other. Some buyer setup and my DPP also relate with this area only. It is not with gold trading. Then after analysis, friends, whatever analysis we are doing, we can classify that analysis in two categories. One is trend following analysis and another is forecasting analysis. Trend following analysis, like I can say that we are using a Dow theory. The concept of making higher high, higher low, or lower low, lower high, that's a very fantastic concept, and still I admit that I am using a Dow theory also with my practice. This makes you to stay with the trend in mid of trend. To stay with the trend in mid of trend, but unfortunately it having some drawbacks so that it is giving you late exit or late entry. For that purpose, we need another analysis, and that is called as a forecasting analysis. For forecasting analysis, I am dominantly using a neo wave theory. Psychology, I think that in the last session also I spoke on psychology, and in one line, if I have to say something, then I will say that it is nothing but the synchronization in between the conscious and subconscious mind. I have seen that some people saying that remove your emotions, remove the fear, remove greed, then only you can trade and you can become a successful trader. Unfortunately, fact is something different. Was we are a human being, and emotions are the part of life. If we remove emotion from ourselves, we'll become like a dead body. We'll become a dead body. So why not to synchronize our conscious and subconscious part? Why not to learn how to use emotions? When be a greedy and buy, and when we have fear and sell, that is more important instead to remove our emotions. In today's session, we have concern with trading setups, forecasting analysis, and trend following analysis. Just ask yourself why you need analysis, why you need a forecasting analysis. While you are trading, what questions goes in your mind? Very first of all, you will think about the direction that where the market is heading, up or down. Then after, what to buy. Then after, when to buy. Now just say me that what goes in your mind after when to buy. When you got answered that when to buy, what to buy, where the market is heading, then what's next? What is next?
Entry point.
Sorry?
When to enter.
When to?
Enter the market.
So you got answer now, when to buy. When to buy also. So entry is there. After entry, what goes in your mind?
Exit.
Sorry?
Profit booking or exit.
Stop loss, manage your trade, target, and how you look at the target. How you look at the target. Like, sorry? Okay, demand and supply. But see, there are the few parameters now. Target, we are expecting target. So we have to go with the price magnitude. How much the price can go minimum and maximum. Then after, how much time it can consume. That's more important point. How much time the target will take. Minimum time and max time. Then after, complexity. That move will go straight forward or it will subdivide and go. And that complexity exit you from your trade. That is more important. Here today we are going to cover that point. The goal to club forecasting analysis, trend following analysis and trading setup is that we should know that which group in power, which group is dominant and which group having charge of market. There are the three groups of trader. First is trend follower, then bargain hunters, then top and bottom pickers, and they all have their own strategy. So at particular time, remember only one strategy works. Only one strategy works. If you are going with the, here we will take an example of trend followers. They generally have buy above XYZ level and sell below XYZ level. Bargain hunters, they are waiting for the retracement and then entry. And top and bottom pickers, they are the full courage people. They can catch the falling knife also. So here we'll see only one strategy, that trend following strategy.